if personal accounts would be used to access this link, may we request the secretary to provide us with the names of the accounts which will be accessing the drive so we can grant them access to these files, Mr. Chair.
Pero you haven't bring any hard copy of the requested
It's
documents. No. What I'm asking is, have you provided this committee with a hard copy? 402 corporations lang naman yan eh. Have you provided us?
Mr. Chair, it's already on the way. We will be providing
It's already what?
on the way here, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair.
July 17, when we asked you to give us the documents pertaining to the request of Congresswoman Luistro, and you're telling us that on the way pa lang sila, those voluminous documents that you will be submitting us will be given also to the members. How can we check all these documents kung dadalhin on the way pa lang siya ngayon during the hearing? You're wasting our time, SEC. Ha?
Mr. Chair.
Hindi na nga po responsable yung pagbibigay niyo ng mga different ng approval sa mga different corporations eh. Actually, yun ang napapag-usapan natin sa Committee on Accounts, sa Committee on Dangerous Drugs, sa Committee on Public Order. Because approve kayo ng approve ng mga corporations. Di ba? Yung GIS napapalitan every month, pwedeng palitan. Yung iba nagpapalit at the end of the year na lang. Ang dami yung failure, SEC. And bringing all those documents here, right now, failure na naman kayo. Please, ayusin niyo yung departamento niyo.
Mr. Chair, just an inquiry with the indulgence of Congresswoman Luistro. This is germane to her
Yes.
request, Mr.
Well,
Chair.
anyway, before I acknowledge the recognized Congressman Adjong, please sa SEC kasi we need to reform, no? Nakita namin yung pagkakamali dito sa nangyayaring ito, yung pag-approve ng mga iba't ibang korporasyon, doon tayo nagkaroon ng failure eh. Isa yan sa mga naging failure. Di ba? Even doon sa mga...
Transmitted are 25 companies lang.
O see?
400
Yes, exactly. So on the way pa raw yung 475. Ay yung 375. 25 pa lang yung submitted nyo, di ba? 25? Comsec, can you please answer back, please? Para hindi ako nagsasalita, kayo mismo na we are tasking them to collect all these documents. And to the resource speakers, may this be a reminder na kapag humingi po kami ng mga dokumento, dapat at least 3 days man lang mabigay nyo na sa committee. Kasi hindi naman po kami hindi po kami Superman. Pinag-aaralan din po namin yan. Give us time to study it. After all, this is for all of us. Hindi lang naman sa amin to eh. We can suggest to the SEC what to do. Pero it's suggestion based on what we have studied. Sana magkaroon po tayo ng cooperation because the President is specifically stated, di ba? Mahalin natin ang mga Pilipino, mahalin natin ang Pilipinas. Sige, Comsec.
On the part of the Committee on Games and Amusements, 25 companies, the documents of the 25 companies were emailed to the committee.